Hello, kindergartners, and welcome back. It is writing time. It is writing time. It is writing time. It is writing time. Get your writing folder. Get your writing folder. Get your writing folder. It is writing time. Yeah, and again, I'm going to start by apologizing because I need to do my nails this weekend. Really bad. So just don't mind my naked nails. Okay, so I'm going to flip to an empty page. Oh my goodness. Sometimes it's like so early in the morning. My throat is just like not ready to talk. Wow, our writing folder is getting full, which is awesome. Sorry. Like I said, it's just like the first time I'm speaking this morning. Okay, so it's Friday, so you can write about anything you want that starts with the letter F. I will go ahead and model something, but like I have an example right here too. Yesterday we were in class talking about the letter F, and we wrote I like the Frankenstein. Ooh, spooky. So see, and then as a class we were talking about like details, what kind of details we need in our picture, and if we were going to write about Frankenstein, we were saying it should be spooky, so maybe we should be in a graveyard, and maybe there should be a haunted house, and maybe it's raining and storming. So, you know, just remember when you're making your pictures to think of all the details and like what you could add to your picture to better tell your story, basically. So the first thing we do is always the same. Oh, sorry, wrong poem. Oh my goodness. Sorry, I'm like not sick. I need to just clear my throat. When we start writing, we always start with the capital letter I. I spell it like I say it. I use a capital letter. Okay, so I'm gonna adjust our camera now. Whoops. I know, it's like challenging. There we go. And then we use a 2-finger finger space. L-I-K-E. I like you, you like me, we like each other. L-I-K-E. And then I'm going to use the today, so I like the. T-H-E. The dog goes woof. The cat goes meow. The bird goes tweet, tweet, tweet. I like the. And today I'm going to choose to write about a flower. Ooh, you know what else is another good F word? Family or feast. I'm looking at our November words. Feast would have been a good one. But I'm going to write I like the flower. Flower. Yeah. Remember, we are sounding out our words, so it doesn't need to be spelled correctly. Just write what you can sound out. And then now I'm going to start with my picture. Since I'm writing about flowers, I'm going to draw myself outside. But you know what? Technically, you could be inside. You could have like a vase of flowers on your table inside. Whoops, that tree might be. Sometimes I just overestimate this space. Ah, that's not a pretty tree. There's a little more shape to it. There we go. There we go. And then I'm going to draw flowers. These are giant flowers, I guess. Wasn't really sure where I was headed with that. Giant lopsided flowers. And see, it's okay, friends. We all make mistakes. That's why pencils have erasers. See, it's still a lopsided flower. Or we could do like a tulip, which has like, or like a rose, right? I think that's more like a rose. A tulip would be more like, I think. go. That's where I went wrong. I drew the stem first, and I want to draw. Oh, so much better. There we go. Okay, and then I'm gonna draw myself. Just hanging out over here. Why are my shoulders so broad? I'm wearing another dress, 'cause I love dresses. It makes getting dressed so easy. There we go. I mean, this side is like my shoulder collapsed. That's okay. Just gonna fix it. There we go. Okay, I'll show some clouds. Then I'll add the sun here with my crayon. Maybe in my hands, I'll be holding like a bouquet. Yeah, oh, that was very nice, right? Just need to make my arm a little thicker, but you get it. You get it. Just like in a field with random flowers. Now I'm getting crayon all over my fingers. Ooh, this is called Screamin' Green. What is Screamin' Green all about? That's a nice shade of green, I gotta say. No, that yellow is just too neon. Oh, that's because it's Lemon Laser, right? The stems of my flowers. People are starting to arrive. Somebody's probably gonna walk in. Okay. I know, it kind of looked better when it was drawn, but you know what? We gotta make do with what we have. I'm just trying to use all the colors because remember, we have that rule If you're 4, you use 4 or more colors. If you're 5, you use 5 or more colors. If you're 6, you use 6 or more colors. So that's it. That's what I'm doing. Oops. That's the hard part, is like trying to get the crayons to not mix, because then like shows, you know what I'm saying? It just gets all weird. I guess I shoulda, coulda, woulda time-lapse this. See, now my yellow has blue in it, so it's like looking greenish. Good morning. Sorry about that, friends. I told you somebody would be walking in. But, all right, so I finished my picture. I probably should have time-lapsed that anyway, since it takes a long time to watch me color. But here we have it. I like the flower. And just make sure, because you're writing I, that you always write about yourself. So you're not writing about me, you're writing about you, because when you say I is yourself. And then, since we wrote about flowers, you have to include the details of flowers. And that's it. I know, doesn't this picture look just like me? Okay, well, you can go ahead and get started. We're writing about something that starts with the letter F. You don't have to write about flower. You can write about anything that your little heart desires and that starts with the letter F. And I hope you have a wonderful day, a fantastic weekend, and we don't have an end of the day meeting today, so I will see you Monday morning. All right? Have a great one. Don't forget to try your best, work hard, don't give up, be kind, and make good choices. Bye.